With Russia continuing losing large amounts of tanks, they still have many left in stocks. The condition of these are however not known, as many will be in bad or terrible condition. So when Russia uses their newest produced or very old tanks, the indication that they use whatever they can get in working condition becomes more apparent. With a T-55 tank as seen here getting hit by a FPV drone, the poor armor makes easier penetration, resulting in the tank getting destroyed, making it the third T-55 tank Russia has lost, with the first destroyed by Ukraine, showing Russia is starting to scrap the bottom of the barrel more and more, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.